Okay, good evening, everyone. Welcome to our extended front office management session where we are learning other skills like chocolate making and baking. Today we have eggless cookies session. This will be taken up by my daughter Akshya. She's here with us, so she will be taking this session. And whatever doubt you have, please do ask her end of the session. Okay, so here we go. Over to you, Akshaya. One second. Okay, I'll be going on mute because we both are in the same, almost the same table, and it will start echoing. So I'll be going on mute. So now henceforth she will take over. You can ask whatever you want. Feel free to ask her. Welcome, Runjun. Good evening to you.
रुंझुन परेशान है, टीचर नहीं दिख रही है, न्यू टीचर क्यों है?
ना तो टीचर तो इधर है, लेकिन कुकीज हमको मालूम नहीं, अक्षय को मालूम है. अक्षय, one more thing, you will have to mix Hindi and English, okay? Tell please no bilingual, okay? मेरे बेटी तो उसको तो हिंदी बहुत अच्छा आता है, हमको नहीं आता बस.
आज न्यू टीचर सिखाएंगे.
न्यू टीचर नहीं रुंजन, मेरे बेटी है वो.
हाँ ठीक है.
ओके रुंजन.
हाँ ओके.
Thank you. Over to you, Akshya.
You're very welcome.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, Didi.
Good evening, Adishaya.
Good evening. How are you?
Good evening.
Good evening, Didi.
Thank you. Okay, all of you excited to start learning cookies?
Yes.
Yes,
Okay. Please allow me to share my screen.
Sure.
Hi, Bubbly.
Is the screen visible? Yes. Okay, okay. So today we're going to learn bomb cookies. This is the name of the cookie. And what is bomb? This cookie would have chocolate filled inside. So it is like a surprise. So if people eat, it will not just be biscuit, but even chocolate will come out. Okay. So first, let's see what are the concepts that would be involved. So when you learn how to make this cookie, you will also learn how to do the cutting, how to take things, how to hold, then the difference between hot and cold, full and half, how to do the stirring properly without spilling, how to use the piping bag. And I think piping bag you would have learned in chocolate making also. Then we will be learning about quantity determination. तो जब आप कुकीज बना रहे हो तो सिर्फ कुकी नहीं सीख रहे हो, आप उसके साथ साथ उसको कैसे काटना है, कैसे उठाना है, पकड़ना, गरम और ठंडा, आधा पूरा, ये सारी चीज आपको सीखने को मिलता है इसके साथ साथ. तो उसको कैसे पकड़ते हैं. एंड व्हेन यू मेक द कुकी डो, that is going to be a little rough texture. तो हाथ में जो सेंसरी नीड्स चाहिए तो वो कुकी डो के टेक्सचर के माध्यम से होता है. फिर आखिर में आप ओवन, हाउ डू यू यूज योर ओवन, बिकॉज सेफ्टी इज रिक्वायर्ड, राइट? सो यू लर्न हाउ टू मेक अ सेफ्टी वे टू यूज योर ओवन. तो ये सारे कॉन्सेप्ट इन्वॉल्व है जब आप कुकी बना रहे हो. Now let's see what are the apparatus. क्या क्या चीज आपको चाहिए. तो पहला होगा the baking tray. Then you need baking sheet. It's called a parchment paper. Piping bag. 1 or 2 एक या 2 glass. 2-3 चम्मच spoon. 1 spatula. Measuring cups and spoons which comes exclusively for baking. Then beater, जो hand beater है वो वाला. 2 bowl. Sieve. मिक्सी, सिलिकॉन मोल्ड्स। सो जब आप चॉकलेट सीखे होंगे मम्मा से, तो वो जो सिलिकॉन मोल्ड था वही हम यूज करेंगे इसके लिए। द सेम सिलिकॉन मोल्ड विल बी यूजिंग। शेप should be small cubes or small circles, small circles, spheres. तो ये शेप ठीक है। weighing scale जो grams के लिए आता है, not the big one, the small weighing scale that comes for baking, एक scissor and cling wrap. So these are the apparatus that would be required. आगे हम देखेंगे कि ingredients क्या क्या चाहिए, what are the ingredients that we need. तो ये इंग्रेडिएंट है, मैदा 1 कप, कोको पाउडर 1.5 टेबल स्पून। तो ये सब आपके जो मेजरिंग स्पून, मेजरिंग कप है, यू विल बी यूजिंग दैट टू मेजर योर इंग्रेडिएंट्स। salted butter and castor sugar. Castor sugar is nothing but white sugar. You can use brown sugar also. If you prefer not to use white sugar, you can go for brown. But the weight, the measurement remains the same for both. तो these two, ये दोनों हम वो weighing scale के माध्यम से measure करेंगे. We'll use a weighing scale. Then milk, vanilla essence, that's just a few drops, मतलब 3-4 drops होंगे, बस वो ही काफी है. Baking soda, salt, and Nutello Ferrero spread. While teaching what Nutella is used for, हम उसका alternative, what else, if you don't have Nutella, what can you do? वो भी हम सिखाएंगे. तो ये था ingredients and the apparatus that we require. तो पहला हम Nutella choco cubes, जो cookies के अंदर, whatever is inside the cookie, the chocolate that you're going to put, we learn how to make that. So first you will be having your piping bag. Put it inside the glass, fix it across the edges. Then put the Nutella spread, 1 or 2 spoons, 1 या 2 चम्मच आप उस piping bag के अंदर आप डाल सकते हैं. Then lock the piping bag. I'll show it in the video also how you can lock. So lock it from the top so that it doesn't spill out the side. Make a small cut below and start dripping the chocolate inside the silicone mold. तो वो piping bag में आप Nutella डालने के बाद ऊपर से lock करना है, फिर नीचे थोड़ा ही size पे काट के, क्योंकि आपका silicone mold जो square और circle होगा, that's going to be very small, बहुत छोटा होगा. So make a small cut in the piping bag and pour it in the silicone mold. अगर if you don't have Nutella choco cubes, मतलब Nutella spread आपके पास नहीं है, तो आप जो मम्मा ने चॉकलेट सिखाया था, पर उसमें छोटा छोटा, बड़ा बड़ा नहीं, छोटा छोटा, the small ones of chocolate you can use, the same thing you can use if you don't want Nutella. तो ये था Nutella choco cubes, और इसको आप फ्रिज में रखना चाहिए. You have to keep it in fridge, not freezer. Keep it in fridge minimum 5 hours. But you'll have to see what is based on your, if you're staying in Oman, it's more hot. तो मुझे overnight रखना था यहाँ पे. I had to keep it overnight. But if you're staying in cooler region, then you can go for 5-6 hours. So see, it has to become solid, proper solid. Till then it has to be in fridge. Okay, till this is fine. Any doubt in Nutella choco cubes? Okay, it's fine. Shall we go ahead to the next one? Okay, we'll go to the next one. Okay, so the next is cookie dough. So in cookie dough, first take a bowl and take your butter, brown sugar or white sugar, anything, whatever sugar you have chosen, vanilla essence. ये तीनों आपको ऐड करना है उस बोल में. Add it to the bowl and then use your hand beater to whisk it. ठीक है? It has to become fluffy. जो आप hand beater से इस्तेमाल करोगे वो उसे ऐसे घुमाना पड़ेगा ताकि वो fluffy हो जाए. And then keep it aside. ये अलग रख लीजिए. Then take a bowl. Keep your maida, cocoa powder, salt and baking soda. चारों dry ingredient. आपको sieve करना है. Sieve it nicely. Then add it in 2-3 batches, मतलब थोड़ा थोड़ा करके, पूरा मत डालिए. वो बटर का जो आपने बनाया था, don't add the complete dry ingredient into it. धीरे धीरे से add, mix. Then after you add the complete all ingredients, last use milk to make your dough. जैसे आपका चपाती dough बनाता है, how you make your chapati dough, the same consistency. So वहाँ पे हम पानी डालते हैं, तो हम यहाँ पे दूध डालेंगे. We'll add milk to make the dough soft. Okay, so don't add full completely. Add how much milk is required. Once your dough is ready, the cookie dough is ready, spread it in cling wrap and put it in fridge for 30 minutes. So your cookie dough is also in the fridge now. जब दोनों तैयार है, when both are ready, then we can start making the cookies now. तो आप दोनों निकाल लीजिए फ्रिज से. The choco cubes and cookie dough, take it out of the fridge. Demold your chocolates. Then get your this thing cookie dough. Take little from it. Press it flat. 2 chocolate उठाइए और या 1 chocolate. वो size, it depends on the size of your chocolate. You like 1, 2, that's up to you. So take it, keep it on it, and then fold from all edges. चारों तरफ से आप इसे बंद कर लीजिए, and then press it flat on top. जो size आपको चाहिए. And then in a baking tray, put a parchment paper and keep this cookie there, and neatly arrange it. ये सब हम वीडियो में भी दिखाएंगे. अभी सिर्फ बता रहे हैं, वीडियो में भी एक दोबारा हम देखेंगे कैसा करने का. फिर once your cookies are there in your baking tray, keep it in the fridge for 10 minutes. सेट हो जाएगा, उसमें फ्रिज में सेट हो जाएगा. निकाल के इस समय में आप ये ओवन प्री हीट करना चाहिए 10 मिनट. For 10 minutes, preheat your oven at 170 degrees. Once your cookies are ready from the fridge, keep it in your oven 15 minutes. After 10 minutes, 10 मिनट के बाद आप जाके चेक करना पड़ेगा कि कुकीज बनाया कि नहीं. वो हम टूथपिक या फिर जो मतलब शार्प चीज, whatever is sharp, you can use to insert in your cookie in the edge, and if it comes out clean, then your cookies are done. Again, we will see this in the video how this testing is done. जब आपका cookies हो जाए तो आप सावधानी से carefully take it from the oven and keep it in a cooling track or in a cool area so that it cools down. The cookies are very hot, so it has to cool down. और बहुत गर्म होता है, तो 10 मिनट के लिए बाहर रख के फिर आप खा सकते हैं कुकीज. तो अभी हमने सिर्फ बताया प्रोसीजर, अभी हम वीडियो में देखेंगे कि कैसा होना चाहिए.
One question is there. Balamika is asking, what is the meaning of Nutella?
Okay, what is the meaning of Nutella? Okay. So I just hope, am I visible? Yeah, okay. So Nutella, ये Nutella है जो हमारा ये था ना, what we use for bread. We use this for bread actually. So these are the Nutella bread spreads. So it is in that spread consistency like this. It will be like this. इसके अलावा you have Cadbury spread and many kinds of spread, but that will not refrigerate. It will not become solid. Only Nutella becomes solid properly. If you don't have Nutella, you can stick to the chocolates which Mama has taught. वो भी चलेगा. वो chocolates भी चलता है. Okay, then let's watch the video on how to do. Okay, so I've kept my apparatus. Is the video visible? Video is visible?
Yeah, video is visible.
Okay. Okay, so I've kept the apparatus and everything ready. So we will see one by one. For every ingredient, what is the brand I have used? You can see what brand is available, but I'm showing what I have used. So for butter, I've used Lurpak. This is unsalted butter. Then this is your all-purpose flour or maida. So in Oman, I get it as Dahabi brand. Anything is fine. This is your cocoa powder. Preferably go for Hershey's because the flavor is very good, and this is unsweetened. Unsweetened Hershey's cocoa powder. Baking soda and baking powder have gone for Foster Clark. Milk, any fresh milk is fine. Low fat, full fat, anything is fine. But keep this all in room temperature. All your ingredients should be in room temperature. So keep it out before you start making the cookies. I have used white sugar. Again, a brown sugar, anything would do. This is the vanilla essence. So again, I've gone for Foster Clark because their flavor is very nice. This is the Nutella Ferrero flavor spread. Okay, so now ingredients have shown you. Let's see the apparatus that I'm using. So this is going to be the piping bag. यही पाइपिंग बैग है जो सेम जो चॉकलेट के लिए हमने इस्तेमाल किया था वही पाइपिंग बैग है. This is a mixie. ये है hand beater. The hand beater nozzle is this. फिर वहां पे है measuring cups, measuring spoon. वो spatula है. Spatula is used to clean the vessel and pour it very easily. That was sieve. One scissors. और हाँ, न्यूज़पेपर या जो भी पेपर आपके पास है वो रख लीजिए, क्योंकि जब हम सीव करेंगे तो इसके ऊपर करेंगे. That's going to be the cling wrap and parchment paper. This is silicone mold. जो मेरे पास है वो एक ये स्क्वायर शेप का है, आप सर्कल भी यूज कर सकते हैं. Does anyone have any doubt? किसी को कुछ डाउट है?
No.
ठीक है, अभी हम जो apparatus whatever ingredients and apparatus required वो सब हमने तैयार कर रखे हैं. तो अभी हम देखेंगे कि न्यूटेला क्यूब्स कैसे बनाते हैं. So let me please allow me to share screen. Let's watch how to do the Nutella cubes.
Akshay, I have doubt.
Yes. Sorry, 1 second. Yeah, yes, Imad.
We can't put that in a freezer now, what you told before, the chocolates. If it melt, we can't put it in freezer.
You can keep it in fridge. Freezer, no. Freezer नहीं चाहिए, क्योंकि as soon as you bring it out, आप बाहर रख के demold करेंगे ना, उसे निकालेंगे ना चॉकलेट को वहां से. You will remove the chocolate.
Okay.
So it will start melting faster. अगर आप freezer पे रखेंगे तो पिघल जाएगा, जल्दी पिघल जाएगा चॉकलेट. आप बाहर रखेंगे, फ्रीजर से बाहर रखेंगे तो इसलिए फ्रिज बेहतर है. कीप इट इन फ्रिज.
Okay.
Yeah, ask.
Yes, ma'am, please.
What is Nutella?
I'm sorry, ma'am, I didn't catch you.
Can we use some kind of dry fruits inside?
Nutella.
Usage of dry fruits instead of Nutella. It's a little choppy, so I'm. Please let me know if it's right. You wanted to ask if you want to replace dry fruits instead of Nutella.
Yes, yes.
Okay. I'm actually, honestly, I've not tried it, but I doubt if it's possible because you're going to keep it for baking.
Okay.
So, and when you're baking it, the dry fruits would still be inside.
Yes.
So I'm not sure if it is baking material. We use it in chocolates, like in chocolate, because it gets into the fridge, we mix dry fruits.
Right.
And we use it in ice cream also. So in cold, it works. But I'm doubtful if in hot it works. Maybe I'll try it. It's a great idea. I'll try it. If it works, I'll let you know for sure.
Okay, thank you. Yeah.
Bala, do you have any doubt? Can you type it in chat box?
Having a Nutella. What do you mean by Nutella?
Nutella, okay. Nutella is a chocolate spread. It is a chocolate paste. Yeah, it is a chocolate paste, like which is
Hershey's
available
spread.
in any
Like
supermarket.
Hershey's spread.
Hershey spread. But I tried Cadbury spread and it didn't work. It didn't become solid like a chocolate. It didn't become. But Nutella worked. Hershey spread, I
Hershey's spread
personally,
can't work now, Akshaya. Hershey's spread can't work now.
I'm doubtful, Imad, because I didn't try it.
Okay.
So Nutella worked, Cadbury didn't work. So that's why I'm recommending Nutella.
Okay.
Hello, ma'am. In ingredients you have written it's baking soda. It should be baking soda or baking powder.
Baking soda.
Baking soda. Or
Yeah.
it should be baking powder.
Baking soda, baking soda.
Because normally I've heard in cookies they use baking powder. Baking soda, I don't know how it will taste. I am confused in that it should be baking powder or baking soda.
No, ma'am, it's baking soda. It will
Baking
come out.
soda.
It will give you the rice and it will work well. In fact, I'll show you the cookies also. I've tried while I was making the video. I've made the cookies as well. The taste has come out just like any chocolate cookie. Since in my house we don't have much of sweet, so I reduce the sweet content.
Okay.
This particular recipe, it's got medium sweet. I have not extra sweet, or it's not on the lower end also.
Okay.
In the recipe you have written salted butter, but in the video you have shown unsalted butter.
Yes,
so which one to use?
Actually, anything is fine. It depends on salt intake that you would prefer. In our house, we don't consume much of a salt because while making the ingredient, we'll be using a pinch of salt. If you're using salted butter, then avoid using pinch of salt. Since I used unsalted, I added little bit of salt when I was making the cookie dough.
And homemade butter is also fine?
Homemade butter, I'm so sorry, I've not tried, so I wouldn't be able to tell if it will come out in the texture. I've used only the outside one. I've not tried with homemade.
Okay.
Okay, so we'll proceed to see how to make the Nutella cookies now. So first taking the silicone mold, the piping bag, Nutella spread.
Piping bag? What is piping bag? Ma'am, what is piping bag?
Can you see this plastic one which I'm having in my hand?
Yeah.
That is called piping bag. You use it. आप chocolate के लिए भी piping bag इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं ना? करते हैं ना chocolate बनाते समय. वही piping bag.
Okay.
Okay, so this way I'll keep it inside the glass and I will lock the edges. तो edges आपको ऐसे वो इस तरफ घुमाना पड़ेगा और बीच में वो hole ताकि आप spread. You will be able to, if you make that hole, you'll be able to put the spread inside it. I've used spatula. You can use spoon also. 1 or 2 spoons. In this way, I've put it inside the piping bag. फिर आपको इसे उठा के अच्छे से बांध के ऊपर से आप पकड़ लीजिए बांध के फिर पूरा चॉकलेट आपको नीचे लेके आना पड़ेगा. So hold it on the top. hold it nicely on the top and pull the chocolate down towards the nozzles, towards the lower area of the piping bag.
You have to fold it? No.
Not for now. For now, I'm just pulling it down. I will show you how to fold now.
How?
Fold, I will be locking. So abhi dekhiye, I'm turning it on the lower side, holding it on top and turning it in the lower. So नीचे आप जब ऐसे घुमाओगे तो automatic यहाँ पे lock हो जाएगा. So there is no folding, there is a turning here.
Turning, okay.
ठीक है? And please note, I'm making a small cut on the lower end. Please be very careful. Do not make it in the area that you're working. पीछे आप काट लीजिए ताकि वो प्लास्टिक जो है आपके खाने के सामान में मिक्स ना हो. It should not mix. So cut it outside and then bring it back. Okay. Now, carefully I'm putting it within the silicone mold. ये न्यूटेला स्प्रेड जो है इसका मीडियम ऐसा ही है कि आप आसानी से मोल्ड के अंदर डाल सकते हैं. It is in that liquid state that you can easily put it in the silicone mold.
Silicone mold?
Silicone mold is a chocolate mold, the square mold. Okay, nicely squeeze it out till the end of all the complete usage of spread that you have it in the piping bag. So the chocolate is set here. Once the chocolate is set, it will go to the fridge, not freezer. Fridge minimum 5 hours. Minimum 5 घंटा आप रख लीजिए. ये आप किस जगह पे है? It is based on the place, weather. ओमान पे है तो please keep it overnight. 6-8 घंटे भी हो. Keep it for 6-8 hours in Oman. But if you're staying in cooler places, then see, what is the texture? It has to be hard, just like a chocolate. It should be hard. तो तब तक वो फ्रिज में रहना चाहिए. तो अभी कुकीज चोको क्यूब्स गया है फ्रिज पे. अभी हम देखेंगे. Now we will see how to make the cookie dough. So I've taken a bowl.
How to measure the atta? How to measure atta?
How to measure atta? Okay, so now measuring I'm going to show now. Atta, butter, then baking soda, sugar, cocoa powder, all these will be measured using that weighing scale. The pink color you're seeing, that's the weighing scale. And the measuring spoons and cups. So I will show you now how the measuring is done. Okay, so moving ahead, this is the butter I've taken. Okay, so when you're having a weighing scale,
how much you have to?
Sorry, yes, go ahead.
How much you have to put?
How much we
atta?
have to put? It is in the ingredients list. So you can just follow that. So for butter, 60 grams. Okay, so now first let's watch how to make the dough. Then we will take up the questions. Let me finish this making of cookie dough. Then we will take up the questions together. Okay, so this is a weighing scale. So please note that one small tip while using the weighing scale. Whatever bowl, जो bowl पे आप butter डालने वाले हो, उसको रख लीजिए पहले. Before turning on the weighing scale, please keep the bowl first, then turn on the weighing scale and then measure. ताकि so that the bowl weight, जो bowl का जो weight है, वो इस पे नहीं होगा, add नहीं होगा. You will have only the butter weight. Okay, so after keeping the yellow cup, I have turned on the weighing scale. Now I'm putting the butter inside. Go slow in adding it. और ये बटर जो है रूम टेम्परेचर में है, दैट्स व्हाई इट्स इन रूम टेम्परेचर, सो आई एम एबल टू टेक इट इजीली फ्रॉम माय बटर जो पेपर पे आता है वो उससे निकालना आसान है. Okay, 61 grams. This is castor sugar, white sugar. तो जो measurement दिया, whatever is the measurement given, you can go according to it. अभी आप कैस्टर शुगर एक कप मतलब जितना मेजरमेंट है उस वो लेने के बाद आफ्टर टेकिंग इट put your powder sorry the white sugar in mixie to get it in powder form. तो एक अच्छा वो पाउडर का टेक्सचर चाहिए, जैसे आपका वो टैल्कम पाउडर है वही टेक्सचर पे आना चाहिए, एग्जैक्ट सॉफ्ट टैल्कम पाउडर टेक्सचर. So you can see it's mixing well. Okay, once done, take it and add it to the butter.
Akshaya, what is talcum powder?
No. I mean, I'm saying this sugar when you're making it in powder form, वो अच्छा soft होना चाहिए.
Okay.
Sugar जो है वो it is hard, no?
Yeah.
आप मिक्सी में आप जब डालोगे तो बहुत soft होना चाहिए when you touch it. So that's why it should be like a powder.
Okay. It will be soft.
Okay, so I've added sugar to the butter. Now I'm adding vanilla essence. So few drops. 4-5 drop काफी है. That will give the flavor. 4-5 drops. Okay, so after adding these, just give it a nice mix with blender. So this is a blender. I've attached it to the nozzle. First mix it. Do not turn on the blender. First mix it. And then take it at number one, first speed. अगर आप बहुत मतलब ये मिक्स करने के वजह आप सीधा आप घुमाओगे हैंड बीटर से तो पूरा पाउडर बाहर आ जाएगा. That entire sugar it will start coming out if you directly use your beater. So first give it a nice mix and then start using your beater. Speed is one the first speed. And it will come nice fluffy texture. तो आप देख सकते हैं कि बटर का जो कलर है वो धीरे धीरे लाइट होता जा रहा है. इट इज कमिंग लाइटर. हाँ, तो पहले थोड़ा डार्क येलो था, अभी थोड़ा लाइट हुआ है. इट्स बिकम लिटिल लाइट. So it's come fluffy. Leave it aside. Keep it aside now. So if you see, I've arranged a newspaper. Okay, I have my newspaper. This is my sieve. And then I have my knife. चाकू है, sieve है और newspaper डाला है. तो ऐसे आप arrange कर लीजिए and we will start adding the dry ingredients. तो पहले हम देखेंगे कि मैदा. So how to measure your maida? Let's see here. So I have my measuring cup. So this is my measuring cup और नीचे जो एक plate रखा है हमने. So the measure for maida is 1 cup. So full, just keep adding your maida till the brim of the 1 cup measurement. थोड़ा बाहर आ जाए तो भी ठीक है. If it comes out little, it's fine. So that's why I've kept a plate underneath. You can always put it back. तो मेरा कप भर गया, my entire cup is filled. So please see how I'm measuring. I'm not tapping it. मैं कप को लेके मैंने ऐसा नहीं किया है, बस पाउडर लिया, जो मैदा था वो हमने पैकेट से लिया और डालते गए, just kept on putting it. I didn't tap or do anything. Okay, so now the powder, the maida has come heaped on the cup. Let's see how to level it. So we need to make it in that 1 cup level measurement, right? So let us see how to level it now. For this, I will be using a butter knife. Butter knife का जो blunt side है. So give it cut like this. हम काट रहे हैं उसको, जैसे आप केक काटते हैं वैसा ही हम काट रहे हैं उसको. काट के after cutting it, just slide it across. So you can see it here. I'm cutting it and then just sliding it across. No tap. Please don't tap. Don't do anything. हो गया, 1 cup measurement हो गया. I put it inside the sieve. Maida is done. Then I've taken cocoa powder. So cocoa powder is, I think, 1.5 tablespoons. Measurement.
If you tap, what will happen? If you tap,
what will happen is the powder starts getting, see, it will start taking all the complete space. और 1 cup होने के वजह वो 2 cup हो जाएगा automatically, because you are making it tight. जब आप टैप करते हो तो बहुत टाइट हो जाएगा आपका पाउडर टेक्सचर. इसलिए प्लीज टैप मत कीजिए, हमें सिर्फ 1 cup चाहिए. So now it's cocoa powder. Measurement is same. आपको वो tablespoon लेना चाहिए, काट लीजिए, फिर 1 clean level, then put it inside the sieve.
okay.
We have learned.
I already first heard.
We have
Okay, so it's 1.5 tablespoon. Okay, and then this is baking soda. So I think baking soda is half teaspoon.
I have this one in my home.
Okay, again the measurement is same. Please use your knife.
What is the closter? Closter. What is this?
This is baking soda. Brand is Foster Clark. You will get it in Lulu.
Yeah.
You will get it in Lulu or any supermarket in India.
Achha. I have this home. In my home, I have this.
Oh, very nice. Very nice. Okay, so I've measured half a teaspoon baking soda and I've put it inside the sieve. Now I used unsalted butter. So someone asked about salt. If you're going for salted butter, please avoid using salt now. So this is salt. I use unsalted, so I've added 1 pinch of salt. Please go, the salt is optional. Please go based on your requirement. If you want it more salty, crunchy cookie, if you want, then add salt. If add salt after using salted butter, then it will be more saltier. So I've just taken a small pinch. That's it. And I've added it there. Done. Your dry ingredients are in the sieve now. So let us start sieving it. So this is a tapping technique. For sieve, we use the tapping technique. Keep one hand here and the sieve is here. Just tap. Just tap and it goes. But when you're tapping, please be very careful. नीचे जो पाउडर आ रहा है, जब आप सीव यूज कर रहे हैं तो नीचे जो पाउडर आ रहा है वो पेपर से दूर नहीं जाना चाहिए. Should not go beyond the newspaper. See, I'm very carefully doing it within the newspaper only. और जो बचा जो स्टोन ऐसा कुछ है, बस वो आप ऐसे मतलब सीव के ऊपर just tap it over the sieve only. And whatever is left, please don't use it, throw it. So this is the nice fine powder I've got. सीव करने के बाद ये जो है it's very fine. तो ये हम डालेंगे बटर के अंदर थोड़ा थोड़ा सा. Little we'll be putting. I think I'm putting it in 2 batches. after putting the first batch, give it a nice mix. So I think I'm mixing it here. Yeah, okay. So after mixing it well, I'm adding the second batch and it's going to be the same. Give it a nice mix. Okay, so I've used spatula. This way, use spatula to nicely mix it. Okay, so all the powders have been nicely mixed with butter now. Now what I will be taking is, I'm taking the milk. So I told you milk, add, I've given you the measurement for milk. I think it is 2 tablespoons. 2 tablespoon milk, keep it in a separate tumbler. Add how much you want because it depends on your dough consistency. All that you need is a nice dough. So don't add too much milk and then it becomes very soft. But suppose, okay, I'll take that. First, let's see how to make the dough. I'll tell one trick in the end. So I'm adding the milk now, slowly, slowly. Give it a nice mix.
Be fluffy and little soft.
Yes, it will come nice soft. So keep adding the milk and you see this? It's almost done. Little was required to bind. That's it. So this
We
way,
can put little milk inside. We can put little milk inside.
I think we have questions from Bala and Imar. Please post your questions in the chat box. I will view and answer it. Once we have this cookies ready from the video, I will surely take up your questions in the end.
Okay. Okay, Akshari.
Thank you. Okay, so my dough is almost done. And see, milk is still remaining because I used only how much is required. Suppose by mistake, if you add all milk and your dough has become very soft, what you can do, add little bit of maida. Avoid making that mistake, but if it happens, you can always add little maida, nothing will happen to your cookies. But little maida, again, little maida depending on, to get your dough back. Okay, so this is my cling wrap. Now I have my cling wrap. Take a nice spread of your cling wrap. If your cookie dough is hard, then add little milk. If it has become too soft because you added a lot of milk, then add little bit of maida, all-purpose flour to get your dough back. But 2 tablespoons is more than enough. For your dough because I still have almost half a teaspoon remaining and my dough is ready. So this is the cling wrap. I've given it a nice spread like this.
You can use foil, aluminum foil. Cling
wrap is preferred than aluminum foil because you know how the cookie is getting spread inside your cling wrap.
We can't use it. We can't use aluminum foil. It's not better, no? Foil.
Not recommended because aluminum foil has little bit of heat within it, holds the heat also, and we would not want that texture to affect our our cookie dough. So cling wrap is preferred.
Okay.
Okay, so I've spreaded it nicely like this. This is the way I've spread it nicely, flat. Okay, and after giving it spread, I've used this little brush to give one coat, just one coat of milk like this. Please watch. I've given a coat, like how you paint. I've painted milk on the cookie dough so that the softness is maintained even after keeping it in the fridge.
You can help your parents.
Okay, so it's done. I've wrapped it on all sides. And now this cookie dough is ready. It will go to fridge, not freezer. Fridge for 30 minutes.
30 minutes. Okay. Not more than that, no?
No, 30 minutes is more than enough.
Not more than that. Okay.
Okay. So our cookie dough is ready. Our cube is ready. Let us now watch how
Another
to make,
video.
yes, how to make this thing. Okay. So what I'm doing here, I'm preheating my oven. So my cookie dough is ready. My cube is ready.
Up to 180 we can put, no? 180 degrees.
170 preferred. 180, then your preheating wise it's fine, but it will be overheated. So your cookies will get done faster. I think it's better to give it an average time. We do not want things to become.
It will become black.
Yes, very
It
true.
will become some.
But why we cannot put 180 like that?
170 is preferred. 170 is better. Otherwise it get burnt, no? We want nice, tasty, crunchy cookies, no?
Yeah.
Okay. So see what I'm having here, please note what I'm having here is gas oven. So in this oven, I'm going for preheat of 170 and keep it for 10 minutes.
Okay. 10 or 20 minutes, something like that.
10 minutes preferred. Within 10 minutes, you have to finish your cookies. Okay, so within 10 minutes, close your oven, nothing will happen. That will keep getting heated there. So now I've removed my, this is my Nutella cubes and my cookie dough. So see, it's nice, soft. In case if it has become very hard, because it is there in the fridge for longer time, just keep it outside. Within 10 minutes, you will get this soft texture.
Looking so soft.
Yes, it has come very soft. Okay, why do you have to keep this in fridge? Good question. Why do you have to keep this in the fridge? Because you want it to set. You want the ingredients to combine and set. See, even when we make chapati, ideally, we have to keep the chapati dough outside for 10 minutes before making the chapati. So same way, if you want to get your cookie texture proper, all ingredients have to bind and the baking soda should start working. Then we need it to set in the fridge for 30 minutes minimum. That is why at every point we try to keep it in fridge for ingredients to set. So now I'm showing you how to demold the Nutella cubes. Very simple. It's very easy to take it out from silicone molds. Okay. So yeah, so this is my parchment paper, the baking paper. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm showing you how to spread. So that is my baking tray. Baking tray is oven safe tray.
We can wrap it.
No, you will not be wrapping it. You will see how you have to put. So I'm just cutting it on all sides.
Okay. I'll start today.
Sure. So see this? The baking paper I've cut and kept it in this size. Correctly, it is fitting inside my tray.
It's little big size.
I think it is looking like that, but it was fine. I understand. I think it was fine. Okay, good question. Baking cookies in microwave oven. I've not tried, but I think it is possible. It is microwave oven safe also. But in that case, do one thing. Try to keep it in medium heat of microwave and do not go for higher, because let the cookies come slowly. But if you keep it on higher, it becomes faster and then your cookies get burnt. We wouldn't want that. So try to do it in the medium. I think you have medium temperature. Yeah, you have medium temperature. Keep it in medium temperature of microwave and try. You will have to, I think, experiment on the time. So keep it for 10 minutes. Keep it, then extend for 5 minutes until your cookie is set. Towards the end, we will see how, if cookie is done or not. How do I know? That I will teach you towards the end when my cookies are done. So you will use the same technique in your microwave oven also. Okay, so from the dough, I'm taking one portion in the hand. Any size. I mean, this cookie dough completely depends on the size that you want. So I flattened it on my hand like this. Since my cookie cubes are small, I kept 2 of them. And then ऐसे ही मतलब जब आप डो ले रहे हो तो ये डो मेरा बहुत सॉफ्ट हो गया, अच्छा सॉफ्ट था, तो मैंने थोड़ा सा लेके हाथ पे रखा, फिर उसको फ्लैटन कराया हमने। जितना आपको आपके मर्जी है इसका साइज, मतलब कितना फ्लैट होना चाहिए या कितना राउंड गोल होना चाहिए, दैट साइज कंप्लीटली डिपेंड्स ऑन व्हाट यू वांट। छोटा भी बना सकते हैं, बड़ा भी बना सकते हैं। So I've made it pretty much flat and then put 2 cubes, क्योंकि मेरा न्यूटेला क्यूब्स जो था बहुत छोटा था, तो मैंने 2 डाला है। फिर चारों तरफ से हम उसको बंद करेंगे। We will be closing it on all 4 sides. So see, slowly I'm pinching it. जब हम बांध रहे हैं, when I'm closing it, I'm pinching it on the crease, the joining place. Give a slight pinch, it will become smooth. See, pinching. Then गोल कर लीजिए, just flatten from the top. तो आपको वो कुकी का जो टेक्सचर वो है आ जाएगा। कुकी, how is the cookie? Usually we see it flat on the base and a dome structure on the top. So I've given it that texture here. आप इसको और भी फ्लैट पतला बना सकते हैं। I mean that's completely up to you if you want to make it nice thin one. But ensure the chocolate which is inside doesn't come out. दिखना नहीं चाहिए, चॉकलेट जो अंदर है वो ऊपर बाहर मतलब आगे पीछे कहीं भी दिखना नहीं चाहिए, because this chocolate when it goes to the oven it's going to melt. So please ensure that your chocolate is not seen in any side. Okay, so similar manner I've made the cookies. One thing which I want you to see here, I've given a nice gap. मैंने वो एक कुकीज को पास में नहीं रखा। I've not kept it very close. I've kept it all in separate, क्योंकि what happens in cookie, it expands. जो इतना सा है, अगर इतना सा है, if it's only this much, it expands this much. Almost 1.5 times of its area it expands. So you have to give it the space, वरना चिपक जाएगा. All cookies will start, getting attached to each other. So please give this space. Do not make it very nice, in close to each other. So my oven is preheated. Please use glove, my oven safe glove, because you're going to, my oven is already preheated and you're going to put your hand inside to keep your cookies. So be very careful. I've kept it inside. Carefully close your gas oven. Okay, and now I'm changing the timer. So temperature is the same, 170. Timer is going to be for 15 minutes minimum. You'll have to keep.
Not 10 minutes, something like that.
No, not 10 minutes.
Oh.
Okay.
Yeah.
1 second. So 15 minutes. So now what happened? It has not become 0. So what I did is I didn't wait for 15 minutes. After 12 minutes itself, I'll start coming and checking it. Okay, so after 10 minutes, probably every minute you come and check. How to check? Please see here. Please be very careful. The oven is going to be very hot at this point. बहुत गर्म होगा. तो आप बहुत सावधानी से आप इसे खोलिए. And take a sharp object. It can be a toothpick or this kind of steel. I'm putting it inside. I'm inserting inside the cookie now. धीरे से साइड से थोड़ा हमने अंदर डाला और आप अभी देख सकते हैं. It has come clean. It is very clean. If it is not done, if the cookie is not ready, the cookie dough will be sticking to your toothpick or to this needle. Okay.
What is that you're at?
Not very clean. तो अभी मुझे बताएं कि चलो मेरा कुकीज हो गया. तो मेरा कुकीज जो है अब बन गया. So cookies are set. I just waited for a minute more and then I'm going to show you how to take it out. तो ये जो है मेरा रैक, Please see that I've kept it in, I've just rewinded it again. Please see I've kept the cookies in the middle rack, not in the lowermost. बीच वाला जो rack है, उस पे हमने रखा है. Otherwise, the cookie base will become black, जल जाएगा. इसलिए हमने बीच वाला जो है उस पे रखा है. Again, use microwave safe or oven safe glove. It's going to be very hot. Take it and keep it on a cooling rack. और जहाँ पे आप गर्म चीजें रख सकते हैं, you can keep it there and allow it to cool for at least 10 minutes. Then, please keep the tray back. Turn off your oven. Ensure that you please turn it off. And हमारा जो oven है, हम इसे खुला, ऐसे थोड़ा खुला छोड़ेंगे. It's going to be a little open because the heat has to go out completely. The entire oven has to cool down. So हमारे घर पे जो gas oven है, it has to be cooled down completely. But in microwave, this procedure is not there. Okay, so you can avoid if you're using a microwave. If you're using a gas oven, after your cookie is done, turn off the gas and keep it open like this. It might take 1 hour, 1.5 hours, it will cool down completely. And then you can close your gas oven. Okay, so our cookie is done. Let's see how it has come out. तो अभी आप देख सकते हैं ये कुकी का टेक्सचर है हमारा. आसानी से it will break very easily. So if you can see the back side, it is not burnt like that. And this is the chocolate that's coming out. This is melted chocolate. जो है यहाँ पे, it is the melted chocolate. Okay, so these are your cookies, and your cookies, yummy chocolate cookies are ready. Any doubt?
From making that chocolate, we can use a Cadbury. We can make from that Cadbury.
You want to use Cadbury spread or Cadbury chocolate?
Cadbury spread. We can do in that. No.
Cadbury spread से नहीं होगा. Cadbury spread will not work because it doesn't become solid. You can try with Cadbury chocolate though, but it doesn't melt. Okay. So again, the issue is that वो जो Cadbury chocolate है, वो आसानी से melt नहीं होता.
Oh.
So better to avoid Cadbury. आपका जो ये है ना, मम्मा ने सिखाया ना chocolates. You can use that. Lovely flavor you will get.
Okay.
Okay. So this is for everyone. जो PDF recipe, PowerPoint and the video recording, everything will be shared. सारे material जो हमने यहाँ पे इस्तेमाल किया, PPT, videos हो, सब हम आपको share करेंगे.
Okay.
Akshaya, can I ask?
Yes, Bala.
If you use that instead of microwave, you can use grilled oven.
Grilled oven, yeah, grilled oven will work. 1 second, grilled oven will work. That is exactly like gas oven only. Keep it in the middle rack. Your grilled oven, I think it will have 3 ranges, no?
Microwave oven we can't work now.
Choose the middle. Microwave हमने try नहीं किया इमाद. हमने हमेशा इस पे
किया है. It will burn. It will burn.
आप कोशिश कर सकते हैं.
Okay, I'll go.
You can try on convection mode in the microwave. Cakes are baked on convection mode in microwave. Yes, so cookies can be made on. We can try on that.
Thank you so much, ma'am. इमाद आप उस पे try कर सकते हैं. जो मैम ने बताया भी, convection mode microwave में आप उस पे आप try कर सकते हैं.
Okay, I'll try.
Can you send the recipe of all?
Yes, Bala, we'll be sharing the recipe, recording, videos, and the PowerPoint. PowerPoint will have the ingredient list and the recipe.
Okay. Thank you for taking the class. Nice, interesting.
Thank you so much.
Thanks so much, Auntie.
Auntie. Sir, you asked call sister.
Thank you, Gayatri ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Dee.
Yes, Ranjan. I'm so sorry.
Thank you, Didi.
Thank you so much. So nice to have you.
कोई बात नहीं, मैं तो पैसा था पैसा. Bye.
Bye.
I think Arja was doing parallelly. I think he was trying. I saw him do. Thank you, Anita Kumari ma'am. Chaitanya has told thanks. So thank you so much. Yeah, I will be sending all this to the mail lines, which you had sent. All will be shared.
Didi, my name is Namrata.
Hi, Namrita.
Hi, Didi. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm fine.
You enjoyed the session?
Yes. I will make.
You will make very good, very good.
We also make. I will send you the video. I will send you that also.
Sure, sure. Please, please send.
I will send the picture.
Pakka, very good. Please send.
Yes.
Your style is so beautiful. Your dresses are good. I like
you,
that.
Thank you.
Bye.
Yeah.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you so much for joining. Thank you, Praveen ma'am, for enjoying the session. So we'll share everything. So see you again next Wednesday. We will be doing pineapple cake, and if possible, pineapple cake, and if possible, we will do date walnut cake, which is it's going to be a very healthy cake. So date walnut cake.
I like pineapple cake. I like very much.
Pineapple, it will be upside down cake. It's a beautiful cake. My favorite, I should say. So Wednesday we will do that.
My favorite that cake.
Thank you, Bala. Bala, you take rest and take care of your leg. Okay?
Ma'am.
Okay,
ma'am.
Yeah, Namrata.
Why I cannot make donut?
A donut. Akshaya has to teach. I don't know donut. So maybe next Sunday, okay? I'll ask Akshaya to teach donut, eggless donut.
Okay.
Akshaya knows donut. I don't know. Okay? So Wednesday,
What do you mean by donut? Donut means?
Donut means that ring type of thing you will get in bakery. But that will be of egg. So Akshaya knows it eggless. So she'll teach on next Sunday. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. So see you all next Wednesday. Take care and be safe. Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Bye.
you. Bye.
Bye.